Hi guys, so I got this new serum off Home Bargain and it's from Silkia, as you can see over here, and it's a Dewy Glow Oil Serum, multi-oil blend fruit extract squalene. So I really wanted to try this out because it says dewy and I'm absolutely obsessed with dewy things. Got a dewy makeup spray, got so many different things. So I'm going to open it now. Oh, it kind of looks like a nail polish, like a big fat nail polish, no joke. So when I open it, it looks like, hold on, this, looks like this. So I'm going to try it on my hand. Oh, it looks a bit like a foundation. Don't know if it acts like a foundation, but wow, I'm already impressed. So I'm going to rub it in. Oh, wow. Guys, I love this so much. I don't know if this is like as a foundation or I'll have to try it on my face, but look at that glow. Look at that glow. I am very impressed. Already obsessed and impressed. Honestly, just look at it in the light. It looks so nice. But I don't know if it acts as a foundation. I don't think so. But it has that little like tint in it, I think. It's kind of sticky. Just gonna dry it. It looks so nice. Oh, I can't wait to try this on my face. So this is how it looks like that. And this is my other hand. Don't know, you can't really see with the camera, but there's an obvious shine. Absolutely love it. 10 out of 10. So from Silkia, and this is the Dewy Glow Oil Serum. Absolutely love it. 10 out of 10. And on the packet it does say that it's supposed to leave the skin soft, radiant and non-greasy, so like a natural glow. So wow, love it. Off Home Bargains.